January of 1976. So let's dive into this magazine and see what stuff looked like all the way back in January of 1976. So let's see here. I'm going to kind of just pull it up a little bit. All right, we've got the Hairdo Unmist Hellen Curtis. I don't even know what this is. What is this? The Hellen Undo Curtis. The end of every way to spray. Hairdo Unmist. You'll want it for what it won't do. Okay, so apparently back in 1976, this was a tool that, let's see, you unmisted. I don't even know. Let's see, now every day to spray is obsolete. Okay, so that's a really interesting tool. You've got a little kind of gun mister here and this old, I don't even know what this is, container of maybe water. Anyways, we made Hairdo Unmist to be successful for what it won't do. It won't waste your money on cans and propellants and privilege of messy overspraying. Anyways, this is some type of tool from 1976. Let's see, looking to do professional for less than $90. You could get this tool back in 1976 when you were doing hair for less than $90. I don't even know what this does. If you know what it does, throw what it does in the comment section.